MPHF Dr. Fredericks John to deliver the acceptance speech.
Dear Rotarians, Rotractors, Toastmasters, members of my personal family, members of my personal family, and friends, good evening. Our community is our responsibility, and that's why I am here. And that's why I think you chose me to be among you. With you by my side, we can all together do God's work. As the saying goes, if you do God's work, God will do your work. I thank you, Rotarian Selvaraj, for having invited my family and me to be part of the Rotary family 3 years ago. I thank you all, Rotarians of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Green City, for having welcomed me into your midst with open arms. I am humbled by the trust you have in me, and thank you for choosing me to be the 13th president of our club. Rima and I pledge to do justice to the faith you have in us to lead the club through this year. While I celebrate the huge responsibility you have bestowed upon me for the upcoming Rotary year, I look back with pride the path I have chosen to rightfully earn this place today. If it were not for the benevolent uncle who invested in my first year of school and paved the way for a bright future, if it were not for the magnanimous principal of my primary school, Mrs. Bullmore, who waived my school fee off and sowed the seeds of success, if it were not for the gracious class 10 teacher, a reverend brother, who paid for my computer knowledge, if it were not for the numerous helping hands that held me from falling without expecting anything in return, I would not be who I am today. For them is what I do today, pay it forward. And I call it being human, I call it being a Rotarian. As you witnessed in the audio visual a little while ago, we have kick-started this year with a bang. 4 meaningful projects, blood donation, planting of 200 tree saplings, thanks to Rotarian Joseph, shelter donation for 5 families, bicycle donation for 5 school-going girl children, and this morning shared breakfast with 70 orphan children, thanks to IPP Rotarian Raja Mahindran. During the course of the year, we will continue to do projects under our district priorities: youth, environment, and shelter. And in collaboration with my organization, Personiv's Being Human CSR initiative and Personiv's customers, we will be setting up computer labs in a minimum of 10 corporation schools this year. Additionally, my pet project, solar power plant installations, will also be set up by February next year for at least one 5 kVA capacity beneficiary. Other projects like Silambam training, Star of the Month at our adopted school, and road safety awareness programs will continue with the support of our Rotarians and our Rotractors. Yoga training will also be continued among other projects. In the coming year, I want to be the Rotarian who vaccinates children I will never meet. I want to be the Rotarian who builds houses I will never live in. I want to be the Rotarian who plants trees I will never sit under. I want to be the Rotarian who feeds hungry people regardless of caste, religion, or politics. I want to be the Rotarian who knows that real happiness can only be found by doing God's work. For so it is written in the Bible and the Bhagavad Gita, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as for the God and not for the men, knowing that from God you will receive inheritance as your reward. I will look forward with hope to your guidance and benevolence, dear Rotarians. Put service above self in the coming year, and to truly demonstrate the principles of Rotary in everything I do. Thank you.
Sir, this has added feather to